To my channel. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So today's video is going to be a super short review of this item that I got for Christmas. So the item that I'm going to be sharing with you guys on today is nothing other than the Pure Mobile Certified UV protector here. So I have never tried anything like this before, so this is new for me. I absolutely love it because I do have a lot of gizmos and gadgets that could use a little sanitizing. I am a germaphobe, so typically I wipe everything down quite often. But this will probably free me up a little bit more time when it comes to my little small gizmos and gadgets, such as my watches, my cell phones, earbuds, and things of that sort. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump right into it. So it says that it is a UV light sanitizer here, which I absolutely like. It also says that it only takes 5 minutes to sterilize as well. Also, it says that it kills 99% of viruses and bacteria, which is also listed here on the box as well. So I really like that. And it says it is a UV multifunctional sterilizer box. Now, you guys, I did try to go online to see if I can find this one specifically. And I struggled. I could not find this particular brand because I wanted to try to give you guys a price point. I did see some other ones online, and the price varies just depending on what you're looking for exactly. But let's go ahead and open this. I have not opened this, so we will be opening this together. Once I got it for Christmas, listen, I had so many things. I just had not gotten to this particular one to open. Y'all, I think I need something to open it up with, though. I didn't bring not one pair of scissors. Here we go. So, oh, they have it taped on both sides. So, what I will say is that they have it packaged really well. They have it taped down on both sides and the back. I'm just using my nail to kind of tear the tape. Opening the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Box is now empty. Okay, so they put it in this little styrofoam type bag here. Oh wow, this is cute. So this is the actual box. I like that it's white, it's clean, it's cute. We can work with it. I guess this has to be charged. Is that what that is? I do hear something on the inside. So let's go ahead and open. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It did come with some instructions here. Okay, and this is the charging cord here, so you will need your own charging block. So this should be big enough for a cell phone. Maybe your Bluetooth headsets can fit in here. Maybe your smartwatch can go in here as well. So you can get a few items in here for sure. Let's go ahead, let's close this up. For a second, let's see what these instructions are talking about. I think it will be kind of clear cut. I don't think it's going to take a rocket scientist to use this box. But for the sake of this video, small little instructions here. So the specifications, just for any of you that are wondering, the voltage is DC 5V1A. The UVC light is 2 by 0.5 W. The UVC wavelength is 270 to 80 nm. And of course it tells you what the package includes, which is the UV multifunctional sterilizer box, which we have here. The USB-C cable. And of course the manual. So it says to power on. You definitely want to make sure that you put the cord in the box and your charging block on the other end to plug up into your wall. And then, of course, put your items inside the box. Now, you can also put keys inside the box, which I'm seeing from the picture as well. You can sterilize your keys, so that's great, great, great. And then you would press the little button on the side to power on the box. So this button will power on the box once you get your box plugged into a wall. So clear cut. So various things can fit. Your UV cord will go into here. Your UV cord will go into here and then into the wall, just in case any of you are wondering, to give you an idea of the size. This is considered to be a small phone, but it fits. You can probably put other things on top of it. Not sure that I would do that, but you have the option. So we will go ahead and give this little box a try if you're interested in seeing what's going on. We will do that right after I come from the gym. I'll see you guys in an hour, and then we'll see what the charging is like. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour actually. I've plugged the box up into the wall. You can see the red light on that lets me know that it is plugged. I'm sticking my phone inside the box. I'm going to take my watch off as well. And I'm going to try to squeeze that in there too, because both of these items I have with me at the gym. I like listening to my music. I like wearing my smart watch to keep up with my workout. And so they definitely need to be sanitized for sure. So I'm going to take this gift as this was just a tryout. I think I would need a larger box because I just have so many electronics. But overall, I liked it. And I'm so grateful to have this as a gift. Hope this video was helpful. Smooches.